50,000 Bird Scholarship is sponsored to ITI, Diploma, Engineering, Bachelor's and Master's students. If you think that this is an incredible opportunity to take your passion to the next level, then hold on till the end of this video. We have got a perfect rocket fuel for your journey. The Norbrums Group, a global leader in bracking the system headquartered in Munich, Germany, is dedicated to fostering a talent and nurturing the future leaders in India. Through the KBI Safalta Scholarship, Norbrums aims to empower a deserving students to pursue their educational aspiration in ITI, Diploma, Engineering, Bachelor's, Master's and PG Diploma courses. This scholarship offers a varied scholarship rewards like 50,000 is for ME, MTech, BE and BTech students. Diploma students can bag up to 15,000, ITI students can bag up to 10,000 and BSc Nursing student can bag up to 25,000 worth scholarship rewards. Not only this, we have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Wait. Not only scholarships, now you get information about internship opportunities as well on our portal. Check right now. Ensure that you have following documents ready while applying for this scholarship: ID proof, address proof, mark sheet of class 10, 12 and diploma, previous year mark sheets if you are applying for second year or onwards, income certificate, student bank passbook, fee structure or the course fee structure, admission letter and bona fide certificate. Make sure all these documents must be in a JPG or PNG format. Guys, please hit the like button. It motivates us to create more scholarship and internship videos, and for quick update follow us on Instagram. Now click on the link given in the description box, which will redirect you to the login page. If you're already a registered user, you can log in with your credentials. If not, then register yourself and update your profile. If you find any difficulty in registering and updating your profile, I have created another video. Watch this video where you'll find all the details. Once you're done with it, then log in with your credentials. Then you'll find KBI Safalta Scholarship. Click on apply button. Now start filling out the details like enter your parent occupation. Is your parent or a guardian is working for Norbrums India? Then select the option yes or no. Are you orphan? Select the option. Are you being raised by a single parent? Select option yes or no. Then upload the bona fide certificate. If you don't know what is the bona fide certificate, then download the sample copy from here and get it signed from your college. Then give the further details like select your category, state and the district you belong to. Then click on the checkbox which defines that all the above given information are true and click on the submit button. If you need alerts on scholarship and internship, then you need to upgrade to plus. Not only alerts, even you will get a support and advice or the guidance from the expertise as well. Even you'll get the statistics like how many have applied for this scholarship and what are the chances you have winning for this particular scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade now for only $599, and the best part is you can access this for lifetime, that is till you complete your education. To qualify for KBI Safalta Scholarship, applicant of all gender are eligible. Preference will be given to a female student. This scholarship is open for all categories like OBC, General, SC, ST categories. To be eligible for this scholarship, applicant must be the permanent resident of Haryana, Delhi or NCR region. Student and guardian must have active bank account numbers for the scholarship disbursement. Applicant must have secured minimum of 60% in previous academic year. Applicant's family income should not exceed more than 5 lakhs rupees. This scholarship is open for the students who are studying in ITI, Diploma, BSc Nursing, BE, BTech or ME, MTech courses are eligible for this scholarship. For more information about scholarship and internship, visit the Global Scholarship.